Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your friends on the chess.com game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the chess.com application or game on your device. And once you open it up, you might be asked to log into your account if you haven't done so already. So go ahead and use your email address and your password or your Facebook or your Google account and you will be logged in, from which you can directly start playing your game. Now, if you wish to unfriend anyone that you have added onto your account, then from the homepage, tap on the friends icon at the top right corner. You can then search for your friend using the search box, and you will also see all of your friends within this list. Go ahead and tap on the user ID of the person whom you want to unfriend, and once you tap on their account, you will see the unfriend button within the center. You can simply go ahead and tap on it, and you will be asked whether you are sure that you want to unfriend this user. Just provide your confirmation and this person will be unfriended or deleted as your friend right away. If you don't find the unfriend option over here, you can also try looking for it within the top 3 dots at the top right corner. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to unfriend someone or delete your existing friend on chess.com. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.